Hello, I'm Emmanuel Ezechuku, and in this video, I want to demonstrate how my API meets the data validation and error handling requirements for my second project. Okay, that's for the post and the put uh, requests. Okay, and this will show how it handles and returns the error codes for invalid or missing data. So for the post request here, as you can see here, the data here is invalid. And I mean, uh, the first name bears a string any, and email doesn't meet the requirement. So when I execute this, as you can see, it's returned an error here, a bad request error, and showing, and the error messages here are showing a valid email is required, and the age bracket and the GPA must be between 0 and 5. So this shows that the posts handles this error well. And for the put, I'm going to choose this ID here, this ID of this student here. And as you can see, it contains uh, invalid data, just like the last request I just sent. And when I execute this, same error will be returned, error 400, and the same error for invalid and missing data here. So, and this is for the students collection. Okay, that's the users and students collection. And for the courses collection here, uh, when I execute this too, and when I excuse me, and when I execute this too, as you can see, this is what I executed. This has invalid data, and the credit hours needs to be an integer, not a string. And as you can see here, it returned this error code here and the error message. Okay, for the post request. And for the put request for the courses collection, I'm going to choose a course here. These are the courses I have in my database. And I'll choose this first course in my list here. And when, as you can see, it has invalid and missing data. And when I execute this, same error will be returned. Okay, so this clearly shows that the error has been handled well for missing data. And I'm gonna also try out putting valid data into it. So let's see if it updates in real time. So I'm gonna choose a first name here. I'm gonna say Emmanuel. I'm gonna choose Emmanuel John. So I've, as you can see, I've imputed the valid data, and I'm going to execute this, and let's see. So as you can see here, it has returned a valid response with an error code, a successful error code. That's a 204 successful error code. And when I refresh my page, my render page here is going to update in real time. That is, create that user in real time. As you can see, it has created this student, this user or student in real time. Okay, so I'm gonna go back here, and I'm gonna try it for the put, that's to update a student's info. So for this student I just created, I'm gonna take the ID. Let's update. I'm gonna update the major and the course and the GPA. Okay, so I won't take much time. So I'm gonna update the major. So the major, I'm gonna say communication, and GPA, I'm gonna say 5, and the course, I'm gonna say com 130. Okay, so when I execute this, as you can see, it has executed here. Uh, and okay, they should apply to it too. And when I update it here, oh, okay, I'm getting an error request here that the email needs to be valid. So I'm just gonna copy the first three here, first four here, and put it here. Let's see. Yeah, so that's it. So let me execute this. Oh, the GPA needs to be between 0 and 5. Okay, so let me say 4.9. I'll execute it again. Let's see. It is 0. I'm gonna try out 3 again. Okay, and 3 works. But yeah, let me see. Okay, so it has updated in real time here. As you can see, I changed it to the major to communication, the course has updated, and same username. So this shows that this works clearly. So for the courses, I'm gonna try it out again. I'm gonna choose a student here or a course here. I'm gonna say just choose a code. I'm gonna execute this, and let's see if it creates a new course in real time. So I have 3 courses here, and when I refresh here, it has created this new course for me, and this shows that the posts works. And for the puts, I'm gonna still use the same ID that I just created and try it out. And let's see if it updates in real time. So I'm just gonna post it right here. So I'm gonna change this course code to 500. Let me say WFF 500. Change the instructor to Peter David. Let's see if it updates in real time. So I'm gonna execute this, and I'm gonna refresh. And as you can see, it has updated the instructor to Peter David and the code to WFF in real time. So, as expected, this completes the error handling and the post and put request for both students, that the users collection and courses collection. It shows that it handles the full data validation and proper error handling. Thanks for watching.